Graphing inequalities on a number line. An inequality, two expressions that are not equal. Inequalities using less than or greater than are represented on a number line with an open circle over the number and a shaded line in the direction of the solution set. Inequalities using less than or equal to or greater than or equal to are represented with a closed circle over the number and a shaded line in the direction of the solution set. The solution set to an inequality is the set of all numbers that make the inequality true. Inequalities can be written with a variable before the inequality symbol or after. X is greater than 7 and 7 is less than X have the same set of numbers in the solution set. To graph X is greater than 2 or 2 is less than X, remember they have the same solution set, we put a circle at 2. It's an open circle because we're not using the equal to symbol in our greater than symbol. And our line is going in this direction. To make sure that this line is going in the correct direction, we can pick the test number 4, substitute 4 in place of X. 4 is greater than 2. That is a true statement, so we know that the correct numbers have been shaded. To graph X is greater than 0, I put a circle at 0. It's an open circle because I only have the greater than symbol. The solution set needs to include numbers that are greater than 0. 2 is greater than 0, so I'll use that as a test number. 2 is greater than 0. That's a correct statement, so my shaded line needs to go in this direction. X is less than 4. A circle at 4. It's an open circle because we have the less than symbol. Our solution set needs to include numbers that are less than 4. I'll pick the test number 1. 1 is less than 4. That's a true statement, so my shaded line needs to go in this direction. -1 is greater than X. In this example, I put the number before the inequality symbol. But again, I'll put a circle at -1. This inequality says that -1 is greater than X. So I think I'm going to try a test number on this side of -1. -3. Is -1 greater than -3? I know that -1 is greater than 3, so my shaded line needs to go in this direction. Graph X is greater than or equal to 1. I will put a circle at 1. It's a closed circle because we have greater than or equal to as our inequality symbol. Our x's need to be greater than or equal to 1. I'll try this as a test number. 3 is greater than or equal to 1. That's a true statement. My shaded line needs to go in this direction. 4 is greater than or equal to X. A circle at 4. A closed circle because it is greater than or equal to. 4 is greater than the numbers in the solution set. So I know that my line needs to be shaded in this direction. I can pick 1 as a test number. 4 is greater than or equal to 1. That is a true statement, so I know that my solution set has been correctly marked. Writing an inequality from a graph. I see that I have the circle that's shaded over the number 1. So I will use that number in my inequality. It's a closed circle, and the solution set includes numbers that are greater than 1. And because it is a closed circle, we're including the number 1 in our solution set, so x is greater than or equal to 1. In this example, our circle is over the number -1. It's an open circle, and the numbers in the solution set are less than -1. So I know that my symbol needs to be less than. X is less than -1. Write an inequality. Sarah is thinking of a number that is less than 3. 3 is the number in my inequality. The statement says that the number in the solution set is going to be less than 3, so I want the less than symbol. X is less than 3. So whatever number Sarah is thinking of must be less than 3. To graph that inequality, put a circle at 3. It's an open circle because it's only the less than symbol. My numbers need to be shaded in this direction. I can pick a test number, such as 1. 1 is less than 3. That's a correct statement, so I know that I've drawn the line in the correct direction.